Well, it's Saturday night now, and that means only one thing. It is time for the musical finale. There's a genuine sense of anticipation here in the International Pavilion, even though what's about to happen is going to be very different from usual. Normally, Saturday sees the week's best performers battle it out in front of judges and a chock-full auditorium. At the last Eisteddfod in 2019, local choir Johnsboys scooped the coveted Choir of the World award. This year, they're back, not to compete, but as part of a socially distanced mass choir in a very special concert. So you've been here all day, you've been rehearsing. How does it feel in there? How's it gone?
It feels just like Llangollen International Music Eisteddfod, which is probably the best thing. It's got that cultural feel, it's got that amazing music. It's everything that we could have wished it to be.
But one thing it hasn't got, which I know you boys love, is the competition element.
I'm standing here thinking, where's the adjudicators? I can't stalk them, I can't find out about them.
But now you're singing kind of in harmony with other voices. That must be very special.
It is, yeah. Singing with choirs you compete against.
Yeah.
Says a lot, doesn't it, about how we've all come together, so it's been really nice, yeah.